What is your name?
My name is Jane.
Hello, how are you?
I am fine, and you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Where are you from?
I'm from Boston.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What's up?
Just the usual. How about you?
Have a nice weekend.
You too.
How much does this cost?
It costs $58.
Are you okay?
I'm now well.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on March 15th.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, I have a question.
Do you understand?
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
May I have the bill, please?
Sure, I'll get that for you.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What's your favorite food?
I love pasta.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I'm free in the afternoon.
Are you married or single?
I'm single, but in a relationship.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I really enjoy it.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak Spanish.
What did you do yesterday?
I went shopping with friends.
What's your job?
I'm a nurse.
Where do you work?
I work in a hospital.
Can I pay in cash?
Yes, cash is accepted.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
How old are you?
I'm 35, but I feel like I'm still 23.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and 2 sisters.
Can you help me, please?
Of course, what do you need?
What is your phone number?
My number is 5551234.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Can you repeat that, please?
Sure, I said. Turn left at the corner.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
Can you pass me the salt?
Sure, here it is.
How did you do that?
I followed the instructions.
Do you need any help?
Yes, I need help with these boxes.
What do you do in your free time?
I like walking in the park.
How's the weather today?
It's cloudy but not raining.
Can you give me a discount?
Sorry, the prices are fixed.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
What are your hobbies?
I like playing guitar and painting.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it's my first time visiting.
Where can I buy a ticket?
You can buy it at the ticket booth.
How much is the ticket?
It's $15.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I love cooking.
Are you a student?
Yes, I'm studying biology.
How do you spell your name?
It's spelled Sarah.
Can I try this on?
Yes, the fitting room is over there.
Can I park my car here?
Yes, you can park here.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I could eat something.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'll have water, please.
Where is the nearest bus stop?
It's 2 blocks away.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't work on weekends.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little.
Which one do you prefer?
I like the second one better.
Why can't I go?
You were not invited.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Jessica.
When are you free?
I'm free after 5 p.m. today.
Whose phone is ringing?
I think it's Mark's.
Where can I find a taxi?
There's a taxi stand around the corner.
Can I make a reservation for dinner?
Yes, for how many people?
What's your email address?
It's janesmith@example.com.
What time is checkout?
Checkout is at noon.
Can I bring a guest?
Yes, you can bring one guest.
What's your favorite season?
I love summer.
Do you have any allergies?
Yes, I'm allergic to peanuts.
Can I take this seat?
Yes, it's free.
Do you prefer dogs or cats?
I prefer dogs.
Where is the bathroom?
The bathroom is down the hall on the right.
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is on your receipt.
Can I sit here?
Yes, of course.
Is it close to here?
Yes, it's just a short walk away.
Do you have a favorite TV show?
Yes, I love Friends.
How often do you go to the supermarket?
I go once a week.
Can I use your phone for a minute?
Sure, here you go.
Do you have a map of the city?
Yes, I have one in my bag.
Do you like your neighborhood?
Yes, it's very quiet and safe.
How far is the airport from here?
It's about 30 minutes by car.
Is it okay to take pictures here?
Yes, photos are allowed.
Do you want to go out tonight?
Yes, I'd love to.
How long have you been living here?
I've been living here for 2 years.
What's the best way to get downtown?
You can take the bus or subway.
How do you like your eggs?
I like them scrambled.
Can I have the menu, please?
Of course, here it is.
Do you have any vegetarian options?
Yes, we have several.
Do you want to take a walk?
Yes, let's go.
Can I get a glass of water?
Yes, I'll bring it right away.
Where did you go on vacation?
I went to Italy.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I have twin daughters.
How do I use this machine?
Press the green button to start.
Are you going to be on time?
I'm sorry I'm late.
What's your favorite city?
I love Paris.
Do you want to grab a coffee later?
Yes, that sounds great.
Can I borrow your pen?
Yes, you can.
Which soda are you going to drink?
I'll have a Coke, please.
Why did he leave?
He had an emergency at home.
Who is this guy?
He's my colleague from work.